problems often occur with the common cold and can leave you with a stuffed up nose, swelling around your eyes, and pain in your face and head. Instead of taking harmful medicines and surgery, using home remedy is more effective and gives you a permanent solution. For this remedy, we need ginger and apple cider vinegar. Ginger organically treats sinus infections. Ginger has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments from gastrointestinal upset to sinus problems. Apple cider vinegar contains a lot of vitamins like vitamin E, A, B1, B2, calcium and magnesium, which help to clean up the sinus cavities and treat the symptoms of sinus infection. The high pH level of the apple cider vinegar breaks up the mucus and clears the airways. ACV gives a lot of relief to the suffering person. Firstly, grate the ginger for 2 to 3 tablespoons quantity and add required amount of apple cider vinegar to it. Take this mixture into a bottle or any closed container and store for one night. Inhale this mixture's aroma when you need and when more mucus forms. Remember, this mixture is not allowed to drink or eat. You can only use it as an inhaler. You can also add this mixture to your steam inhale process, which can also work more effective. You can also dip your towel in this mixture and wrap around your neck for continuous inhaling and for permanent relief. When you feel relief from the sinus, you can take it off and take 10 to 15 minutes rest before starting your day. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.